Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you Warrior I transitioning into Warrior II, right and left sides, also known as Virabadrasana. Step out with your right foot and take a wide stance on your mat. We're moving into Warrior II, so extend your arms out to the sides, turn your right foot perpendicular to your left and bend into your right knee, looking out over your right hand. Hold here for 5 breaths. Then turn your torso and inhale, bring your arms up over your head, pressing your palms together for Warrior I. Hold here for another 5 breaths. Then inhale, straighten your right leg and pivot and turn your body to the other side of the mat as you bend into your left knee. Hold here for 5 more breaths. And then inhale, open your arms to Warrior II on your left side for 5 more breaths. Inhale, straighten your leg, come to center, and exhale, step back to the top of your mat.